Hey everybody, Wes with Corncob CB Shop. Got a RoadKing RKCB, basically a reboxed Cobra 29. A really cool little radio. Really like these radios mainly because they're affordable, they have classic looks, you know, they're sharp, and they're pretty good talkers, believe it or not. So we're gonna go ahead and walk through this radio. It comes new in the box. For me, it has original microphone, new power connect cables, mounting hardware, bracket, everything like that. Everything to get you on the air, ready to go. Usually this bezel has a piece of tape around it, but this one does not, just because it looked kind of ratchet in the videos. But anyway, let's go ahead and walk around this radio, kind of look at everything, see what we got. So right here, like usual, volume on off knob, squelch back here, microphone gain, which is how loud you are, RF gain, which is how far in the noise you can hear, delta tuning, your SWR calibration. Right here we have calibrate, SWR, and then set your meter back to RF, automatic noise limiter, noise blanker, and then off. A CBPA, bright and dim. There's your bright and your dim in your channel 9, and then off, and then high cut. Let's go ahead and show you how to calibrate the SWR. So slide down here to calibration. Screw in your standard Cobra Galaxy unit and 4-pin microphone. Make sure you get that collar down on there. And go ahead and key the microphone up. What you're going to do is you're going to adjust this calibration until it's right on this little calibrate right here on the meter, and there we go. That's pretty perfect. All right, next what we're going to do is slide the SWR. Hello. Yeah, so SWR is going to be this top meter right here. We have 1, 2, 3. You want to make sure you keep it in that one section and pretty close. Hello. Yeah, so this one's pretty accurate. So I wouldn't rely on this 100% if you're looking for a great SWR, but if you want to get close enough, this meter right here will do it. We'll go back to signal and RF. We'll make sure the connector's back in here pretty good, and we'll jump over and see what it does on the meter. All right, so we got everything set up. We're going to be looking at this scale right here, 100-watt scale. Dead key's around 5 watts or so. And then let's see what it'll talk. Hello, 1, 2, 3. So here it is on the shop radio. Listen to it. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. Hello, 1, 2, 3. So when you give it the whistle test, it does about 30. I would expect somewhere around 20 on the regular. I wouldn't expect, unless you're just screaming, something like that. But one thing that this radio does have that we go ahead and upgrade it for right here in the shop is a switch on the back for talk back. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3. So we do have talk back added to this radio. It's got a switch on and off in the back. It is not adjustable. This is not an adjustable talk back, but you can turn it on and off. And let's listen to see what the shop radio sounds like on the RoadKing. Hello. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, radio check. 1, 2, 3. Corncob CB Shop. Yeah, so good deep audio, just what you'd expect out of a box right here. I really like these radios. They're simple, they're effective, and they're very economical. So if you're looking to build a radio on a budget, this is the radio to start off with, guys. This is a RoadKing RKCB. Get them brand new at corncobcbshop.com, and that's Cobb with 2 B's, or on our eBay store. The link's down in the description. 73.